Aloha, it's Jessica Baker with Hawaii Life Real Estate Brokers, coming to you from my newest listing here at the Masters on the Kaanapali Hillside. I'm in Unit 803, which is 1,500 square feet, 2 bedrooms and 2 baths. Let's take a look around. Instead of saving the best for last, I'm going to the best part first, the view. It is an absolutely gorgeous day here in Kaanapali. And we're overlooking my favorite beach right now. That's the island of Molokai here in the distance. So lanai is huge. There's 2 sets of sliders to access, one from the master bedroom and one from the main living area. Lanai is super private, not another neighbor in sight. That's another thing I love, all this rolling green space. Since the sellers purchased the unit, they've made a lot of beautiful updates to the property. This is all new Revwood flooring, fresh paint, baseboards, new ceiling fans. Here is the master suite. Can you imagine waking up to this every day? So the Masters complex as a whole was built in the 1980s with nothing but comfort for the owners of the units in mind. Complex does not allow short-term vacation rentals. So here you have a mix of full-time residents, second home owners, and long-term renters. And here is the bathroom. It's a spa. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. Updated refrigerator, granite countertops, new extra quiet dishwasher too. Can you imagine standing here and watching dishes every day? Off the kitchen is the access to the other spacious bedroom. Not an ocean view, but lots of nice greenery here out back. And here is the second full bath. That is right off of the grand entry into the unit. So here at the Masters, each unit has a private covered parking stall, and there's ample guest parking too. Additional amenities include gated entry and then multiple swimming pools and tennis courts on site. Plus, it is, like I said, directly above my most favorite beach on Maui. So Masters 803 is offered at $970,000 and is an awesome deal and a complete pleasure to show. So thank you so much for joining me today for this tour. Give me a ring at 808-250-0840 with additional questions or to schedule a showing. Aloha from Maui.